Hey there! Let me show you how others just like you are using Scoop to turn their data into instant answers.
Want to actually understand what's working in your marketing? Let me show you. Connecting HubSpot to Scoop is simple. Just authenticate and select the properties you want to analyze. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. So we'll click New Data Set, and you can pick from any of the data sets you'd like here. So we're going to go with HubSpot. Go ahead and click Continue, and we'll go ahead and have to connect to which HubSpot account we want to use. So here we go, and we are connected. So we'll go ahead and head back over here. And you can look at the data right here. So you can select any of the objects that you would like to use, and go ahead and name it, and then click all of the properties you want to do. So I've already actually set this up for us right here. So we'll go ahead and start chatting with this one. So we can head over to Chat with Scoop and start talking to it. So we're going to go ahead and ask Count Contacts by original traffic source. I'm dollars. Okay, cool. So it looks like direct traffic brings in the most contacts by far, with over 2,300 in paid searches next, with about 4,000. But here's the thing, volume alone doesn't tell us much about quality. So let's go ahead and ask it a follow-up question. Average number of page views by traffic source? Now, this is interesting. Okay, so we've got organic search visitors are viewing an average of 23 pages. They're really exploring a site compared to the paid search, which is 3.5. So we're getting fewer organic contacts, but they're way more engaged. The next question would be, okay, but are these engaged visitors actually converting? And we can just keep asking to find that out. So that's the idea. Your data, your questions, your answers. Ready to try it? Check out Scoop Analytics.